This is question relay with the cast of Ang Mutya ng Section E. Let's go, guys! Notebook.
Pencil. Ballpen. Ruler. Pencil. Pencil. Marker. Chalk. Bond paper. Calculator. Manila paper. Stapler. Glue. Binder. Colored paper.
Lunchtime.
Math. Ano tanong? Subject sa school. English. Economics. ESP. English. Science. CLE.
Home economics.
Araling panlipunan. Araling panlipunan.
Christian living. Religion.
Pinapanood natin, hindi pa natin natapos.
Basketball.
Football. Volleyball. Soccer. Swimming.
Fencing. Billiards. Pickleball.
Golf. Sepak.
Archery.
Gymnastics. Hockey. Uy, out na daw siya! Out na daw siya!
Sapak Tekraw. Arnis. Andres Bonifacio.
Jose Rizal. Lapu-lapu.
Wait lang. Emilio Aguinaldo. Pwede na, pwede na.
Andres Bonifacio. Oh, wait lang. Lora Macapagal Arroyo. Ay,
Serge Osmeña. Ay! Presidente! Ninoy! Ninoy! Superhero? Gregorio del Pilar.
Lapu-lapu. Andres Bonifacio. Rizal.
Emilio Aguinaldo. Andres Bonifacio?
What? Dude!
Vietnam.
North Korea. China.
Japan. Singapore.
Malaysia.
Hong Kong. Philippines.
Thailand.
Philippines.
Philippines.